Ayan. So, blessed day to everyone. Ako po ang inyong speaker for today, Coach Randy, all the way from Bicol. Pero ngayon po is nandito po ako sa North Caloocan. And graduate po ako ng Financial Accounting and nagmamasteral po ngayon ng Business Administration. So, dati po tayong store manager, naging OFW, tapos pagbalik ng Pilipinas, nag-try din ng mga traditional business. And right now, I'm the team founder ng Team Attraction Worldwide at co-founder ng Magnate Alliance and co-founder po ng Don Chris Mentoring Program Academy. So gold rank, going to platinum po. So ngayon, ang pag-uusapan natin, it's not about me, but about the online business na patok ngayon. No? So ito, ang presentation na ito is para doon sa mga naghahanap ng side hustle online. Yung pagod na sa trabaho at gusto ng ibang pagkakitaan. Yung kulang ang kinikita at naghahanap ng additional source of income. At doon sa mga tao na gustong magsimula ng online business pero di alam kung paano gagawin. So kung ikaw ay empleyado, a full-time dad, full-time mom, OFW, seafarer or negosyante na gustong matuto ng digital marketing or online business, para sa iyo po itong presentation na ito. Okay? So ngayon, ang pag-uusapan natin is ano, paano at bakit si Live Good, no? So, sa mga bago po diyan, pakinggan nyo lang po, mabilis lang po itong presentation natin. So, welcome to Live Good Affiliate Marketing Presentation, the most trusted and trending online global business. Okay po, so ipakilala ko po yung kumpanya. Yung kumpanya pong Live Good is nakabase sa US, no? Ang location niya is Jupiter Park, Florida, USA. Nag-launch lang po ito nung December of 2022. Going 2 years pa lang po tayo, pero available na po sa 200 countries. Grabe, no? So first distribution center sa US, and also we have operational in Germany. And soon, magkakaroon po tayo sa Pilipinas, sa India, sa Brazil at Kazakhstan. So grabe, no? Grabe yung pag-boom ng ating company. Ngayon, let's meet the management team, no? Ito nakakatawa tong mga nakaka-inspire tong mga management team natin. Let's meet Ben Galinsky, our CEO, no? 20 years of experience sa nutritional supplement industry. Yung ating sa director of our network marketing, Sir Notter Gazan, ito naman icon in the world of business. Yung ating director for the product development, Dr. Ryan Goodkin, ito naman doctorate in pharmacy. Grabe ni mga credentials, no? And yung ating director for product education, si Dr. Lisa Goodkin, ito naman master's degree in physiology. Grabe, no? Yung combination ng mga expertise nila form a powerhouse management team. Ayan, ayan yun po yung ating mga may-ari. Grabe na, true leadership creates true success. Ngayon, ano ba yung goal? Ano yung goal natin kay Live Good? Number one is to help you get healthy and stay healthy with the highest quality nutritional supplement. At pangalawang goal is to help you make money easier and faster than any other company in the industry. Grabe yung dalawang goal, no? Ngayon, this is a life-changing products and life-changing results. No? Breakthrough marketing system and generous compensation plan and the most powerful system in the industry. So grabe, no? So ngayon, ano ba yung milestone na nangyayari kay Live Good ngayon? So based on Business for Home, Live Good paid out $50 million in commission noong 2023. Kaya ang dami at magaganda ang nangyayari kasi ganito kalaki mag-payout ng komisyon ang ating kumpanya. Grabe tong ating company, no? And aside from that, we are approaching, no? We are 1.5 million members across the world, across 214 countries. Ganyan po kalakas at kaganda ang ating kumpanya. Ito po ranking to, no, nagpapalit-palitan ng ranking, no. US, China, Canada, Korea, Philippines, Sweden, Australia, United Kingdom, Kazakhstan, Taiwan, Spain. Grabe yung ating kumpanya. Ngayon, ano ba mission ng ni Live Good, no? Our mission is very simple, no, to help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it, no? Ibig sabihin, magiging healthy ka or magiging malusog ka nang hindi ka gumagastos ng malaki. Grabe, no? Ngayon, we're done with the company. Let's proceed on the products. Ano ba yung mga produkto ni Live Good, no? Yung mga produkto natin made in the US. Okay? So ano ba itong tinatawag na GMP or yung Good Manufacturing Practice? Ito yung system for ensuring that the products are consistently produced and controlled according to the highest quality standard. Grabe, no? Ano naman tinatawag nating National Sanitation Foundation or NSF. Ito namang certification na ito, it verifies that each batch of dietary supplements it certifies does not contain unsafe level of contaminants, prohibited substance or masking. Grabe no, ang bibigat ng mga certification pala sa US. Ano naman yung USDA, no, yung United States Department of Agriculture. Ito naman, certification na to indicates that the product has been grown and manufactured in a sustainable and safe way. It is a powerful way to set your product apart from the competitors. Kapatid, certification po natin is hindi basta-basta. Aside from that, 20 plus certifications ang naka-embark sa ating mga produkto. Kaya rest assured, we have the highest quality products as of now in the market. Okay? So eto, tignan natin. No? Ito naman tinatawag natin third-party analysis. No? We are hiring a third-party company to certify ng ating produkto. For tested for purity and potency po. Grabe, no? Guarantee of quality and safety. So with analytical results demonstrate that the products meet and established specifications whether they relate to regulation, safety, or product performance. So grabe yung certification and grabe yung ginawa ng ating kumpanya for our product to assure that the product attain the highest quality product na meron po ngayon sa market. So life-changing products and unmatched quality, napakaganda ng mga produkto natin and naka-back up po yan sa 90 days money back guarantee. If you don't like or hindi mo nagustuhan ng ating mga products, you can return back at ire-refund sa'yo yung binayad mo dito kay Live Good. So ganun po kaganda yung ating company. Okay? So ngayon, with the products that we have, ang maganda rito, nagsimula po tayo sa vitamins and supplement. But soon, we will be the Amazon of network marketing kasi Live Good will add more products and services in the near future. So we will be adding travel industry, household products, solar panel, crypto, skincare, at marami pa pong iba. So can you imagine guys, mga kapatid, lahat ng kailangan mo, makikita mo kay Live Good soon. Ngayon po, nagsimula pa lang tayo sa vitamins and supplement, pero lahat ng kailangan mo, magkakaroon po kay Live Good. Amazing, no? Grabe, no? Ngayon, bigyan ko kayo, no? Ipakilala ko sa inyo yung top 4 na favorite kong products kay Live Good. Unahin ko dyan yung Super Greens. Grabe itong Super Greens na to. So, ito, Super Greens, for immune protection, energy recovery, stress support, digestive health, and detox support. So, ito, nililinis niya yung katawan mo, tapos ilalabas niya. So, green, Super Green, kasi puro green ingredients po ito, no? Meron po siyang barley, chlorella, dandelion leaf, ashwagandha, moringa. So marami po yung ingredients dyan sa Super Greens na yan. So one benefits, tignan nyo po, value for money. You can save 74% and 81% sa mga competitor natin. Ang maganda sa kumpanya natin, may nag-e-explain, no, yung tinatawag nating product website na nag-e-explain ng ating mga produkto. Ipakita ko po sa inyo, worry no more kasi may nag-explain ng mga produkto natin. So let's have the product website of Super Green. So let's watch this, guys.
Did you know that as many as 9 out of every 10 people in the world are deficient in 1 or more vitamins or minerals? That's why so many people get trapped in an endless cycle of sickness and disease, never fully able to maximize their body's full potential. But filling those nutritional gaps and taking the first step to maximize your health is easier than you may think. Introducing the most complete nutritional supplement ever created that everyone should be taking every single day. Live Good Organic Super Greens. Formulated with the world's most powerful superfoods, including spirulina, recognized as the most nutrient-dense food on the planet, packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, along with helping to manage cholesterol, reduce blood pressure, and even improve muscle strength. Ashwagandha, scientifically recognized to help relieve stress and anxiety, lower blood sugar, improve sexual function in women, boost fertility and testosterone levels in men, help improve restful sleep, and support brain health and memory. Probiotics, to support a healthy gut and digestive system. Chlorella, for its antibacterial, antivirus, and anti-tumor properties. Alfalfa, to help lower cholesterol, help manage blood sugar, and even help relieve symptoms of menopause. Aloe vera, for its anti-aging properties, skin health, and facilitating metabolism and healthy bowel function. Moringa, to fight inflammation and protect the liver. Matcha green tea, for weight management. Dulse for bone strength, eyesight support, and thyroid health. Dandelion leaf for digestion. Wheatgrass juice for inflammation and colon health. And so much more. Just mix 1 scoop a day with a glass of water for a delicious way to protect the most important thing in your life, your health. All in one USDA certified organic delicious blend that is like a safety net for your health. And with Live Good's exclusive direct-to-consumer model, you can get the highest quality super greens on the planet at a price of less than half of similar products on the market. And if all that wasn't exciting enough, all highest quality Live Good products come with a full 90-day money-back guarantee. If you don't absolutely love organic super greens, just send back the empty bottle and we'll give you your money back. Order yours today and take the first step to maximizing your health. Live Good Organic Super Greens.
Guys, this is a match item natin sa Live Good, no? So better, kailangan itong Super Green is matry nyo po. So napaka-powerful at napakaganda. Organic and plant-based. That's the number one of my favorite. Pangalawa, we have the Super Reds. Ito naman from the word reds, no? Red berries naman po ito, no? Ito is for the cardiovascular health, for blood circulation, for sexual health, brain and cognitive function. Mga kapatid, ang maganda rito sa kumpanya natin, hindi mo na kailangan mag-research kung kasaan-saan kasi meron kang sariling website. Yung website na to, eto na po yung nag-e-explain ng mga produkto natin. So, if you're a member, you can save 74% and 54% sa leading competitor natin sa market. Ngayon, ano yung paliwanag dito? Ano ba yung website? Si Randy, ito po, panoorin natin. At magkakaroon ka nito pag kasali mo kay Live Good. So, let's watch this powerful product website of Super Reds.
What is one of the most important molecules in our body? We literally can't live without it. Nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is crucial for healthy circulation, blood flow, brain and cognitive function, liver growth and regeneration, energy, recovery, stress, sexual health, libido, and most importantly, maximizing the health and performance of the most important organ in your body, your heart. That's because it acts as the body's vasodilator. This means it relaxes the walls of our blood vessels, effectively widening the blood vessels and allowing blood to flow more efficiently, helping to lower blood pressure while getting more blood circulating through your body to carry crucial oxygen and nutrients to where they are needed. But as we age, the nitric oxide that our body produces continues to decline. In fact, by the time we turn 50, our nitric oxide production is about half of what it was in our 20s, which can compromise our immune system, energy and stress levels, blood pressure, and our heart. But are you getting enough? Introducing Live Good Organic Super Reds. Formulated with only the highest quality, 100% certified organic ingredients from the purest places on the planet, Super Reds is packed with the most powerful antioxidant-rich ingredients proven to boost your nitric oxide production and help maximize your cardiovascular health. And with certified organic beets that even Super Beets doesn't have, plus powerful ingredients that you won't find in Organifi's red juice, like antioxidant-rich hawthorn berry and vitamin-packed superfruit aronia berry, all for a price that beats all of them. Click the link below to order and see why Super Reds is quickly becoming the go-to product by people ready to take control of their cardiovascular health.
Grabe, no? So napakaganda ng ating mga website, no? That one is for our heart, no? For the cardio. We have grabe powerful yung mga product website po natin. Pangatlong product na I want to share is the Ultra Magnesium Complex. Ito naman for muscle, nerve and energy support 300 enzyme reactions. For the sleep support and most bioavailable magnesium. So ito, pag member ka, you save 68% and 69% sa mga leading competitor natin sa market. So ito, meron din tayong video for this. No? So let's watch this video.
Did you know magnesium is responsible for over 300 chemical reactions in the body? In fact, it's crucial for our bodies to even function. But here's the scary part. Most of us are not getting enough. This could lead to serious health issues, like heart problems, difficulty sleeping, decreased focus and brain function, stress, anxiety, loss of bone density, lower exercise performance, decreased sex drive, depression, headaches, constipation, PMS, nausea, joint pain, and even unwanted weight gain. So, what's the solution? Introducing Live Good Ultra Magnesium Complex, scientifically formulated with the most bioavailable forms of magnesium that most of us are not getting in our daily diets. Our highest quality ultra magnesium complex is designed to fill that nutritional gap and keep your body performing at its peak. And with double the forms of magnesium than best-selling Organifi, and at a highest quality level that can't even be beat by BioOptimizers, it's no surprise that Ultimate Magnesium Complex is being recognized as the most complete magnesium supplement on the market. And here's the best part. Live Good's direct-to-consumer model means you can enjoy the highest quality product on the market for less than half the price of competing products. All backed by Live Good's exclusive 90-day empty bottle money-back guarantee. Order your Ultra Magnesium Complex today and unlock what's keeping you from maximizing your health. Live Good's Ultra Magnesium Complex is much more than just a supplement. It's a path to a healthier, happier you. Don't wait another minute to take charge of your health. Order yours today.
So that would be our Ultra Magnesium Complex. At grabe, tatlong produkto pa lang sobrang powerful na at kailangan ng ating katawan. So let's proceed sa pang-apat, vitamins, no? Sabi nga natin, in order for us to be healthy, kailangan natin ng siyam na na bandehadong gulay at prutas, no? If you can't afford, so you can supply a complements or you can supply with the vitamins, no? So vitamins, ito makakatulong sa atin, no? 24 vitamins and minerals, immune and cardiovascular support, and promotes healthy aging. So these products, you can save 78% and 65% sa mga leading competitors natin. Kapatid, ito palang apat ang diniscuss ko, no? We have a lots of products. We have the lean for the burning fat. We have also the protein, the aminos, the factor 4, and CBD oil. Napakarami po nating produkto in the market, no? We have the collagen peptides, the methylene blue, creatine, at maganda rito may mga bundle packages pa po tayo, no? So it's up to you kung ano po yung mga magustuhan ng produkto, but rest assured, this is the highest quality product na meron po ngayon sa market. Ngayon, this is the life-changing testimonials. No? A lot of people ang nagte-testify sa kagandahan ng ating mga produkto. And aside from that, grabe yung mga users natin around the world, no? So ito po yung mga talagang ang daming natulungan ng produkto natin na Live Good. So ayan po, yung mga users natin. Ngayon, ito po, meron po tayong tinatawag na Live Good Clinic, pero as of the moment, ito po is available pa lang sa US, no? Yung mga prescription drug na mabili dyan, so meron na rin po tayo kay Live Good. Ngayon, we're done with the company, we're done with the products. Let's proceed now sa pangatlong aspeto ng ating presentation, which is the business model. Ano ba yung business model ni Live Good? Ang Live Good po kasi is a subscription company. So ano bang ibig sabihin, Sir Randy, ng subscription? Ang subscription is magbabayad ka monthly or yearly in exchange of the products and services ng kumpanya. Tama ba? I think you're familiar with the subscription na ginagamit nyo na po ito, SNR. Ay pag kailangan member ka diyan para makapag-shopping ka, makuha mo yung discount ng company ng SNR. Same thing with Landers, no? Gold's Gym para magamit mo yung equipment, makapag-gym ka, nagbabayad ka diyan monthly. Ayan, magkano? Ayan na, no? So, also Amazon Prime, Fitness First, ganun din. Netflix, no? Nagbabayad ka monthly or yearly in order for you to watch the movie, no, na gusto mo, makapanood ka ng mga gusto mong movie. So, same thing with Costco, no? Ito, sa Costco naman, para makapag-shop ka, makuha mo yung mga discount. So, nagbabayad ka monthly or yearly para makuha mo yung products and services nila. Okay? So, alam na alam nyo na po yung subscription. Sa Pilipinas, internet mo, subscription yan. Nagbabayad ka for your internet connection. Ano pa ba? Yung kuryente at tubig mo, subscription po yan. Okay? So, nagbabayad ka para makuha mo yung products and services ng company na yan. Okay? So bakit subscription yung konsepto ni Live Good? Kasi yung subscription company po, ito po yung trending at mga top performing company nowadays. Netflix, tignan nyo po, 33 billion ng 2023 ang income. Yung Costco, 4.5 billion ang revenue ng 2023. So ito po yung mga kumpanya na nagpe-perform at trending nowadays po. Ngayon, ano naman pagkakaiba ni Live Good? Si Live Good subscription and yet may binibigay sa yung income. Ito po yung subscription that pays, no? So itong mga kumpanya na ito, may produkto, yes, may service, yes, but the income potential is wala po dito sa ating mga binanggit sa ating slide. Pero si Live Good, meron pong income potential. Pwede ka pong kumita. I hope nakuha ko po yung attention ninyo kay Live Good po. You can be a consumer, you can be a member, you can be an affiliate, you can be a part owner, and even you can be a shareholder ng kumpanya. Mamaya malalaman nyo kung paano kayo magiging shareholder. Okay po? So ngayon, marami na nagtatanong, Sir Randy, paano sumali? Ito po yung mga options ng pagsali. Paano maging member kay Live Good? How to become a Live Good member affiliate? Tatlo pong option yan, but I recommend the number one, the option number one. Ito yung yearly. Bayaran mo ng yearly para isang taon ka ng member kay Live Good or affiliate kay Live Good. No? Meron lang tayong one-time payment of $40, tapos yung isang taon, dapat 12 months yan, no? Dapat 120, 100 na lang. So nakatipid ka ng $20. Sir Randy, 1,200 pesos din yan. So sa peso, mga 8,120 isang taon affiliate ka na kay Live Good. So hindi ka na mangangamba na malaglag ka or hindi ka makabayad ng monthly subscription mo kasi nakaisang taon ka ng subscription. So it's around 8,120 pesos. Pangalawang option, pwede ka mag-monthly. Again, may one-time payment lang na $40, tapos magbabayad ka lang 9.95, so pumapatak yan 2,900 pesos. Kaso every month naman, magbabayad ka ng $10. Yun nga yung 560 pesos or 580 pesos. Okay? And option number three, if you want the discount, yung discount muna ang gusto mong itry, no? Makapag-discount ka up to 75%, you can go at option number three. Ito naman yung member. So, makapagsimula ka ng negosyo, 580 pesos. Tapos kasali ka na, makukuha mo na yung mga produkto kanina ng discounted up to 75% discount. So, pili lang po kayo dyan, option number 1, 2, or 3, at kasali na po kayo kay Live Good. Ngayon, Sir Randy, ano naman yung magiging benefit ko pag sali ko kay Live Good? Ayan. So, ang benefit dito, number one is yung lifetime exclusive access, no? Up to 75% less on all products natin, no? Pag affiliate ka kay Live Good. Then, pangalawa is yung mga replicated website natin, no? Kanina, pinakita ko po sa inyo yung replicated website natin ng product pages. Nakakatuwa kanina, yung etong product pages na po, siya na po yung nag-e-explain ng mga products natin. So worry no more, may taga-explain na po ng produkto para sa iyo. Pangalawa, the corporate site. Ito naman, sarili mo to para sa iyo, para pag o-order ka, member price na. I-click mo lang po yung link mo ng corporate site, add to cart ka ng mga gusto mo, member price, discounted na yung makukuha mo, company nang bahalang mag-deliver sa bahay mo. Ano naman yung retail site? Etong pangalawa, pangatlo, yung retail site. Ito naman, pag may mga kaibigan ka na hindi member ni Live Good at gustong bumili, dito lang sila pupunta sa retail site mo. No? Mayroon kang sariling link. It's a drop shipping. Mag-add to cart lang dyan yung mga customer mo. Company na po ang bahalang mag-pack, company nang bahalang mag-deliver sa client mo at company na po ang bahala sa payment system. Grabe, no? Ang ganda ng ating mga website. The next would be the Powerline landing page. Ano naman to sa Powerline landing page? Ito naman, may 6 minutes dito na video. Ang nag-e-explain yung CEO, ine-explain niya na yung business natin. Kaya kahit busy ka ngayon, may taga-explain na ng negosyo mo. At pag at nagustuhan ng prospect mo, meron na rin pong registration dito, yung online registration. Kung meron siyang debit card or credit card, diretso na po yan, magiging member na po siya at magiging member mo na under your organization. Ganun po kaganda yung sistema natin. System ready na po ito. Next would be ito nga yung Live Good Clinic. Ngayon, available pa lang sa US, no? So yung mga prescription drug na mabenta, meron na rin po tayo dito sa ating Live Good Clinic. Next would be yung tinatawag natin na ito, yung My Free Health Report site. Ito naman, ito yung bago nating website ngayon, no. Ito, free assessment, health assessment, no. So ang maganda rito, guys, it was lead by our Dr. Ryan Goodkin and a set of medical practitioners, no? Kung sa Pilipinas po, ang online check-up natin, it will cost you 500 to 1,000 pesos. Grabe kay Live Good. Kay Live Good, kasama po ito sa website na binayaran ninyo. Ang una kong ginawa, pina-check up ko po yung sarili ko, pina-check up ko yung family ko, nanay, tatay ko, kasi free naman po. Kaya yun po yung una kong ginawa nung pag-launch po nitong ating free health report website natin. Talagang ang grabe, nakakatulong talaga at sobrang value for money natin dito. Etong mga website na po na ito, mga kapatid, it will cost you 50 to 100,000 pesos pag nagpagawa po kayo. payat pa po yun. Kaya dito pa lang sobrang solved na or sobrang sulit na yung iyong ibabayad at pagsali kay Live Good. Next, ano pa bang benefit? E-commerce and dropshipping, no? Sabi kanina pinakita ko mga website, you don't have to stock to yourself the stocks. Dahil dropshipping po ito, uh, all you have to do is to send the link to your mga prospect na gustong bumili. Doon sila mag-add to cart parang Lazada and Shopee. Live Good na po ang bahalang mag-pack, bahalang mag-deliver doon sa customer at sa payment system si Live Good na po ang bahala. Ang gagawin mo na lang, ibibigay na lang po sa ni Live Good yung commission mo. Grabe, no? System ready na po kay Live Good. So ganyan po kaganda ang inyong makukuha, ang inyong benefits pag sali nyo kay Live Good. Free trainings, grabe yung mga trainings natin dito, it's for free. At syempre yung community, no, yung ating Magnate Alliance International na community na gagabay po sa inyo dito sa ating negosyo. Guys, sa Magnate Alliance, marami po tayo dyan mga program, no. So yung unang programa natin dyan is the Build Your Business Program. Ito, napakagandang programa. It's a 15 days program para turuan po kayo ng step by step na gagawin sa ating negosyo. To be led by our uh, Sir J.M. Burse. And yung pangalawang programa naman natin is yung Don Chris Mentoring Program Academy. This is a 21 days program. Ganun din, same purpose para i-guide po kayo doon sa pagsisimula natin sa negosyo. Okay po? So, wag ka pong mag-worry kung first time mong magnegosyo, no? Kasi marami pong gagabay sa inyo na community dito sa ating Magnate Alliance International. Okay po? So ngayon, we're done with the business concept. Ngayon, i-discuss ko ng mabilis yung subscription that pays, no? Yung ways of earnings natin. Alam ko, gustong-gusto nyo po itong marinig, no? Yung paano kumita ng nasa bahay lang. So, marami pong ways of earnings. Ikaw na pong bahala kung saan ang forte mo o saan yung gusto mo na pagkita. Okay, number one would be the retail, no? Retail commission, no? Dahil member price mong nakukuha, yung difference ng SRP tsaka member price, 50% nun pwede mo pang kitain. Ayan, so sa mga gustong magbenta, may kikitain ka pa rin. Pangalawa would be the influencer bonus, no? Ito naman, if you hit a certain target, no? $2,500 every month, bibigyan ka pa ng kumpanya ng 10% additional, no? So kung ang retail commission mo is 50%, additional 10%, so 60% na po yung commission mo sa mga personal customers mo po. Grabe, no? So pwede ka pa rin magbenta-benta. Pangatlo would be ayan, the weekly fast start commission. Ito naman nakakatuwa, no? Pasok tayo sa referral program, no? Sabi ng company guys, every time you refer, the company will give you or rewarded you $25 or kung sa peso yung mga nasa 1,400 pesos sa bawat mapasali mo kay Live Good. Kasi nga, this is a referral program, no? Sineshare mo yung ganda ng pagiging healthy, magkakaroon ka ng discount at magkakaroon ka ng side hustle. So, $25 or 1,400 sa kada mapasali mo po. Kung 10 yan, edi 14, 1,400 kung 10, 14,000 pesos. Again, dito po, meron po tayong certain rank, no? As you go along with your rank, na-unlock mo po yung mga income potential sa ilalim mo, no? So up to 10th level yan, meron ka pang commission. So kahit hindi mo nakakilala yung mga pumapasok sa organization mo, for as long as you have the rank, meron ka pa rin kinikita sa ilalim. Okay? So that is the weekly fast start commission. This week, you will get the commission on next Thursday payout. Okay po? So yan po yung kagandahan sa ating weekly fast start commission. Next would be the customer acquisition bonus. Ano namang ibig sabihin ito, Sir Randy? Ito naman, yung mga tao na napamember mo, kapag umorder sila ng products, you will get acquisition bonus. 10% doon sa unang order ng organization mo, meron ka pa rin customer acquisition bonus. First order, 10% pa po yung kinikita mo dyan. Grabe na sumali, meron kang income sa weekly fast start. Pag sali nila, umorder ng mga magagandang produkto, meron ka pa rin income. So lahat may income po. Grabe, no? Ang ganda ng ating mga kumpanya. Next would be the Matrix Commission. Ito nakakatuwa tong Matrix Commission. Pag sali mo kay Live Good, bibigyan ka ng kumpanya ng Matrix or organization. Ngayon, this is a monthly commission, ha? Yung matrix mo, yung organization mo guys, mapupuno yan. Kanino galing? Una, pwedeng galing sa'yo. mga direct mo, no? Pangalawa, pwedeng spill over. Galing sa taas kasi system generated po ito. Titignan po ng sistema kung saan walang laman, doon po niya ilalagay. Galing sa taas sa organization mo sa taas. So tinutulungan ka ng mga kasama mo sa taas para punan yung iyong matrix. Okay? So ngayon, Sir Randy, paano kumita diyan? Lahat ng tao sa matrix mo, every month na nakasubscribe, meron ka pa ring rebate or commission. Magkano, Sir Randy? 0.25 cents dollar. Sa peso, 14 pesos kada tao na nakasubscribe month after month after month. So, month after month after month, meron ka rin pong matrix commission na 14 pesos. So, kung 10 yan, edi may 140 pesos ka. Yung 10, nag-invite ng tigi-isa, may 20 ka na, edi 280 every month. Yung 20, nag-invite ng tigi-isa, naging 40 na kayo. Edi 560 na. Break even ka na sa monthly subscription mo. Eh, paano, Sir Randy, pag nag-100? Edi 1,400 every month. Next month, paano pag nag-1,000? Edi 14,000 pesos. Month after month after month nang hindi po nagbebenta. Ano ang basis sa Matrix Commission? Subscription po. Lahat ng nakasubscribe, binabalik sa iyo ng kumpanya, 14 pesos kada tao. Grabe nung ganda, no? Magsasubscribe ka lang, meron ka pa ring Matrix Commission. Okay? So, yan po yung kagandahan sa Matrix Commission. Let's proceed. Ito, yung susunod na income, ito yung pinaka-paborito ko sa lahat. Ayan. The, ayan, no? Ayan yung ating Matrix. The matching bonus. Ito naman, ano naman yung matching bonus natin? Ang matching bonus, imamatch, no? From the word matching, imamatch ng kumpanya yung kita ng mga direct mo sa kanilang matrix. So, ito, depending sa mga na-direct mo. Halimbawa, may na-direct kang 5. For example, ikaw, na-direct mo ko. Napasali mo ko. Yung kinikita ko every month, for example, sa matrix ko, 500. Dahil ikaw ang dahilan ng pagsali ko, meron kang 50% sa lahat ng kinikita ko. May 250 ka. Yung napasali mo sa Luzon, 300, may 150 ka. Yung $1,000 na napasali mo sa Visayas, may 500 ka. Lahat ng mapasali mo, lahat ng direct mo, meron kang 50%. Kaya ano naintindihan ko to mga kapatid, hindi talaga ako nakatulog kasi ang ganda ng compensation plan. This is sobrang fair sa lahat. Dito po kahit hindi po ito basehan kung nauna ka or nahuli ka. Ang basehan po dito is yung sipag mo. Kung sinong mas masipag, mas malaki ang income. Okay? So yan po yung matching bonus at madaling intindihin. So wala na rito yung mga pairing-pairing, wala na pong ganun. Nakabase po ito doon sa direct mo. Lahat ng direct mo, lahat ng income niya every month meron ka ring 50%. Galing, no? So next would be the Diamond Bonus Pool and the Crown Diamond Bonus Pool. Ayan. So ito naman, as you go along with your rank, pag na-hit mo yung diamond rank, kasali ka na sa diamond pool. So ano naman yung diamond pool? 2% of the total sales ng buong kumpanya, pinaghahatian lahat ng diamond. So same thing with our Crown Diamond bonus pool, no? Pag Crown Diamond ka, 0.5% ng total sales ng buong mundo ng Live Good, pinaghahatian naman ng mga Crown Diamond. Kaya dito, meron ka ng retirement or yung pension mo. Kasi every month, eto na yung shareholder ka. Kasi meron ka ng share. 2% kapag diamond ka, 0.5% ang share mo pag crown diamond ka. Galing, no? Kaya if you're looking for retirement, for pension, go for Live Good and go for diamond. Okay po? So ito naman guys, ito mga examples ng mga earnings. Hindi ko to pinapakita para ipagyabang or to brag but to inspire us saan ba tayo papunta? Saan ba tayo patungo, no? So a gold and a platinum, ito po yung mga kinikita, no? Yung some of our gold and platinum, and ang ating diamond, ito po yung kanyang kinita for 3 months. Grabe, no? And syempre, pakita na rin natin yung Crown Diamond pero para may idea tayo kung saan papunta or saan ba tayo papunta. Kapatid, a simple of $50 or 3,000 pesos, ito po yung naghihintay at pwede nating mapuntahan. This is existing, nagawa na po nila, kaya rin po natin gawin. I'm encouraging everyone to motivate yourself na kung nagawa nila, kayang-kaya rin po natin gawin. Okay po? So, is Live Good a good opportunity? For me, it's not. Because it is the best and the perfect opportunity for you. Based on Business for Home, Live Good rank AAA opportunity for 2024. Ano ibig sabihin AAA? Ibig sabihin nun, AAA Business for Home recommends the company there is a high certainty that the net benefit is substantial for a distributor. Pambihira, business from home na po ang nagsabi niyan. Kaya maraming maraming salamat, business from home, sa citations na binigay niyo po kay Live Good. Ayan po. So if you're looking for health, maging healthy, if you're looking for savings and discount, and if you're looking for side hustle, the income, this is the value na binibigay po ng Live Good Company. Kaya kung napakinggan mo to, pagtulungan po natin ang napakagandang opportunity na Live Good. Again, iwan ko na lang po kayo no, ng kataga no, na your mind is a magnet. If you think of if a blessing, you attract blessings. If you think of a problems, you attract problems. Always cultivate good thoughts and always remain positive and optimistic po. Maraming maraming salamat po. And iwan ko lang po kayo nung aking dream board, no, ito yung aking deepest why, na ito yung dahilan kung bakit ko ginagawa si Live Good, the best that I can be. Kasi gusto ko mabigay magandang buhay para sa aking dalawang anak. Kapatid, kaya ko to pinakita para laliman mo rin yung iyong dahilan kung bakit mo gagawin ang isang bagay, no? Gawin mo to with a purpose, with a deeper purpose para sa pamilya mo. Again, maraming maraming salamat. Iwan ko lang po kayo ng one of my favorite verse from Jeremiah 29:11. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Mga kapatid, ang plano ni Lord is napakabuti. Ang plano niya is ibigay sa iyo the best na pwedeng ibigay po sa iyo. It will take time, no? Wag po, kung hindi mo pa nakukuha, it's okay. Proper timing lang po. Tinitignan lang po ni Lord kung ready ka na doon sa blessing na ibibigay sa iyo. Again, maraming maraming salamat. Maraming salamat sa mga nakasama namin dito sa Zoom at sa aming FB Live. So, maraming maraming salamat po and God bless everyone. Maraming